Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have an intriguing topic to delve into: augmented intelligence versus artificial intelligence. As technology evolves, so does our understanding of these terms. Let's explore the differences and ethical implications surrounding these cutting-edge concepts. Artificial intelligence has long been a fascinating subject in popular culture. Often depicted as sentient beings like HAL 9000 or menacing forces like the Terminator. But some industry experts argue that these portrayals have led to unrealistic expectations about AI's potential impact on our lives and workplaces. They propose a new term, augmented intelligence - a more neutral label that better reflects the reality of most AI implementations. Augmented intelligence aims to enhance products and services, not replace humans. For example, AI can automatically surface vital information in business intelligence reports or highlight crucial data in legal filings. We've already seen the rapid adoption of AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard across various industries, demonstrating a willingness to embrace AI as a support system for human decision-making. But what sets augmented intelligence apart from true artificial intelligence? Let's find out. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, represents the pinnacle of AI advancement. It's the concept of a superintelligent AI surpassing human cognitive abilities, often associated with the technological singularity. As exciting as it sounds, AGI remains confined to the realm of science fiction. While some developers are actively working on achieving this, it's yet to become a reality. Many believe that AGI could be made possible through technologies like quantum computing. Still, until that day arrives, we should reserve the term AI for this kind of general intelligence. Now, let's talk about the ethical implications of AI and why they matter. AI tools offer new and exciting functionalities for businesses, but they also raise ethical concerns. The foundation of many advanced AI systems is machine learning, which learns from the data it's trained on. And that's where the challenge arises. The data used to train an AI system is selected by human beings, making it susceptible to biases and prejudices. This machine learning bias must be closely monitored, especially when AI algorithms operate in deep learning and generative adversarial network (GAN) applications. The lack of explainability in specific AI models can be a stumbling block for industries with strict regulatory compliance requirements. For instance, financial institutions may struggle to explain AI-driven credit issuing decisions, as these decisions are based on correlations between thousands of variables, making them difficult to comprehend. When the decision-making process cannot be explained, it's referred to as black box AI. To summarize, AI's ethical challenges are vast and impactful. We must address the issues of bias, misuse, legal concerns, job displacement, and data privacy to ensure the responsible and beneficial use of AI. And that wraps up our discussion on augmented intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Remember, Embracing technology responsibly is the key to shaping a better future. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.